is the osprey and the kestrel, the myna and the jay. They know when to go, they know when to stay. The lesser spotted eagle has plenty self-esteem. He knows it's just her name. He knows it's just a dream. And it goes by so quickly, all foggy and blurred. And his life is for the bird. This life is for the bird. At times, it's just easier to stay down, bury my head in the sand, and don't ask why. Keep my feet planted on the ground. Watch the birds high in the sky. The teal and the mallard, the shoveler and goshawk don't break from exposure.